see ya. 'Cause every girl in here wanna be ya. Oh, she's a diva. I feel the same and I wanna meet her. They say she low down. It's just a room and I don't believe them. They say she needs to slow down. The baddest thing around town.
Tasha, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Chacha. God bless.
Happy birthday siya. Cake ako, ice cream po.
Happy birthday. Enjoy ni.
Ay, siya, happy birthday.
Uy!
Oh, happy birthday siya.
Hello, Shasha! Happy birthday! Where's the party?
Hi there, Jaja. Happy 18th birthday. It's me, Earl.
Siya, happy birthday siya. Oh.
Happy birthday, Cha.
Happy birthday, Chacha.
Happy birthday, Jacha!
Nothing you can compare to your neighborhood. Oh, I'm trying to find the words to describe this girl without being disrespectful. The way that booty moving, I can't take no more. Had to stop what I'm doing so I can pull her close. I'm trying to find the words to describe this girl without being disrespectful. Damn girl, damn, you's a sexy bitch. A sexy bitch, damn, you's a sexy bitch. Damn girl, damn, you's a sexy bitch. A sexy bitch, damn, you's a sexy bitch. Damn girl.
Happy birthday, Ate Chacha. Happy 18th birthday. God bless always. Pay lang.
Siya, happy birthday siya. Happy 18th birthday. Anang, sorry kay kung wala mi dira nga mo uban sa mo ha para mag-happy-happy. Unta, na kay time nga makabalik ka diri kay i-celebrate ang imong birthday bahalag kuan kana late na belated. Ana ara kong maingon sa take care always and sa mga dula nimo kanang pag-practice yung maayo kay practice makes perfect. We love you.
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Shasha. God bless. Take care.
Hello siya. Happy birthday. Happy 18th birthday. God bless. Amping dia and para mag-eskwela. Para sa imong parents o sa imong one and only brother. I love you.
Hi, Sha. Happy 18th birthday. Tao, kanang anding parmi dara sa Maynila. God bless. We miss you. We love you, Mama.
Hey, Shana. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best in life. Happy birthday.
It's a wonderful day to you, our birthday celebrant, Shana Marie Costilla. Happy 18th birthday, Sha. Dalaga na ka. So, wish you all the very best. More cakes to slice and candles to blow. God bless. May you have a wonderful day. Enjoy your day. This is the day. And, isa pa man. Mura pa siya. God bless. Happy 18th birthday, Shana. Wish you all the best. Good health, long live, God bless. I miss you and I love you. Greetings from Candy.
Yes, I can see ya. 'Cause every girl here wanna be ya. Oh, she's a diva. I feel the same and I wanna meet her.
Hello, good morning. Happy birthday sa